Ever tried to tap and pay with your phone, only to realize your favorite card isn't actually in your digital wallet? It's a small moment of panic, right? Especially when you're in a hurry at the checkout counter. Well, if that card is your Airwallex card, and you've been wondering how to get it into your Google Wallet, you're in the right place. You've got your Airwallex card, a powerful tool for global spending, managing expenses, and keeping your business finances in order. But let's be honest, fumbling for a physical card is so last decade. We want the seamless, secure, and incredibly fast experience of tapping our phones. The good news is, linking your Airwallex card to Google Wallet is not only possible but surprisingly easy. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, to make sure you can start tapping and paying with confidence. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Airwallex app installed on your phone. This is crucial because the easiest way to get your card into Google Wallet is directly through the app itself. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards section. You'll see a list of all your Airwallex cards. Find the one you want to add to Google Wallet and select it. This will bring up a detailed view of the card. Look for a button that says something like Add to Google Wallet or Add to GPay. It's usually a prominent button right there on the card details screen. Tap on it, and the Airwallex app will then securely communicate with Google Wallet. You might be asked to confirm some details, like the last 4 digits of your card, as an extra layer of security. Follow the on-screen prompts from both apps. This is the two-way street where Airwallex provides the necessary information and Google Wallet accepts it. What if you don't see that button? Don't worry, there's another way. You can always open your Google Wallet app directly. Once inside, look for the plus or add button, which is usually in the bottom right corner or at the top of the screen. Tap it and select Payment Card. You'll then be given the option to either scan your card or enter the details manually. If you choose to scan, simply place your physical Airwallex card within the camera's view. Google Wallet's clever technology will read the card number and expiration date for you. If you prefer to enter the details manually, just type in the card number, expiration date, and the CVV from the back of the card. You'll also be asked to provide your name and billing address. Google Wallet will then verify these details with Airwallex. Once confirmed, you'll receive a verification code, usually via an SMS to the phone number associated with your Airwallex account or through your email. Enter that code, and you're all set. Your Airwallex card is now securely linked to your Google Wallet, ready for tap-to-pay transactions wherever Google Wallet is accepted. You can even set it as your default card for an even smoother checkout experience. This not only makes paying easier but also keeps your card details more secure. So, next time you're at the counter, you'll be able to confidently tap your phone and be on your way in seconds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.